Good morning. The market is in a predicament and a bit nervous ahead of the budget. The NSE Nifty has been stuck between the range of 4,800 to 4,930 of late and is unlikely to make a big move anytime soon, at least not today. A long overdue breakout in either direction could take place only post the budget. At the same time, one has to take into account the emerging global situation before jumping the guns. Those batting around conventional wisdom of making some quick gains out of the railway-related budget stocks had to make a hasty retreat. Meanwhile, the economic survey would be unveiled today. Here again, we have seen that the survey always talks of a spate of reforms which are urgently required to accelerate India's growth. But the budget hardly incorporates any recommendations made in the survey. The key is to keep expectations low and one will not be disheartened. The Asian markets are trading mixed with Nikkei and Hang Seng trading flat and Shanghai up by 1%. As for the markets, they are set up for another colorless show. The opening is likely to be sedate to say the least. There might be some volatility today due to the F&O expiry. Global cues are inconclusive. US markets ended higher on reassurance from Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke that he will keep rates at record low from some time to time. European shares managed modest gains. European shares finished slightly higher. The German DAX index edged up 0.2% and the French CAC 40 also added 0.2%. UK FTSE was up 0.5%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 91 points to end at 10,374.16. Wipro set up an internal panel to investigate the financial probe. SBI to raise 200 billion rupees via rights issue, and they need over 500 billion rupees capital in the next 5 years. Texmaco to demerge its heavy engineering and steel foundry division and to transfer it to 100% subsidiary Texmaco Machines. Railways not to hike freight and passenger rates. Railways push for PPP and seek private investment for world-class station, auto hubs and high-speed passenger train corridor. Global trade dropped by 12% year-on-year last fiscal, the biggest decline since World War II. The recommendations for the day are: buy Sesa at current market price Rs 377 for a target of Rs 400 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 368. Buy Ruchi Soya at current market price Rs 103 for target of Rs 113 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 97. On the F&O side, long Voltas March future at Rs 156 for a target price of Rs 165 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 152 for a lot size of 2,700. And long GVK Power and Infrastructure March future at Rs 41.25 for a target price of Rs 45 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 40 for a lot size of 4,750. Thank you and have a great day ahead.